We're playing Tenerife, the first match, and like I said, we're very familiar with them. We played them earlier, and obviously them being in the ACB, we'll just take one game at a time. Obviously, with the final 8, for me, it's good to experience the Champions League playoffs last season with the team, and we'll go from there. Well, obviously, just knowing your opponent as well as possible and winning and advancing. This isn't like the Champions League playoffs where it's a best of 3 series. It's one and done. So you're playing for your lives, win or go home. So you got to do whatever it takes to get the win, so you can advance and try and reach the ultimate goal. We just got to be able to do what we do offensively, get stops, finish with rebounds, try and get off to a fast start. And just control the game. So, like I said, it's not going to be easy. It's a blessing to be in this position, and all teams are here for one goal. But like you said, we're just going to take one game at a time and see how it goes from there. Yeah, sounds easy, but if it was, then everybody would be here. So, like you said, we're going to try and take one game at a time. If you get one win, then you can't be too happy because then you play one the next day and then go to the Final Four. So like I said, just one game at a time and see how it goes from there. For sure, yeah. I've been part of the Euroleague Final Four before, and that was a great atmosphere. I'm sure this will be the same as well here too, even though it's a bubble and won't be able to experience the fans and stuff. But I've heard all great things. But like I said, all that experience that that I've had and learning from my teammates as well. We're going to take all of that and just be able to control what we can control and try and come out with the victory.